have a seat right here. So when was the last time you had an alcoholic beverage?
What's the location of your emergency?
Hey, I got an accident right here on Broad in front. Need an ambulance. There's 3 cars right now.
Okay, we'll get them out there, sir.
What's up? A guy? These 2 girls and a guy?
I don't know where the guy went.
This car didn't stop. They didn't stop. It was a green light. I swear to God.
Okay, you guys okay?
No, I'm not okay.
Okay, we're gonna get a medic for you, okay? Where's the other people at?
This lady's in the car. I told her.
Oh, they're in the car still?
She's okay. I talked to her. She's okay. Right here.
You alright, ma'am? You okay? Okay, alright.
Okay?
162, we have one trapped in a flipped over car. It's gonna.
Where was this car at?
Can you unlock it?
She was coming this way. You were going this way. This car?
You able to get out?
Yeah, I'll hold it.
Hold it. Hold it. You got that door?
I got it.
All right, watch yourself. I'm gonna cut this off.
Come on out.
What do you need?
Just trying to help her out.
Okay.
Okay, we'll get that in a second.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Try to step out for us.
13, I'll check to see if our cameras picked up anything on that. Got it.
Sorry.
Calm down. Hey, he'll tell you. He said him and was going this direction.
This white car ran the red light.
Y'all, where the fuck is Miriam? Bro, where's Vanessa? Vanessa.
My kid was our fault. And this big fat
Did we let them know that we got one out? Is everyone out of there?
Who?
13, I'll check to see if our cameras
you okay, my man?
picked up anything on that.
He's got I guess a bum ankle, but he made it around the corner.
Okay, is he running?
Walking.
Okay.
It was pretty chaotic.
Okay. Were you driving?
No, I wasn't driving, but we also
Were you
was the ones that got
164.
Okay.
I wasn't driving.
Okay.
Block, Broad Street,
I don't know where.
What?
No, I was grabbing your hand.
Okay. Are you okay, man?
No, my fucking ankle.
All right. Just hang out, okay?
He walked all the way around the corner.
Okay.
I thought he was going to flip.
This white car ran the red light.
Y'all, where the fuck is Miriam? Bro, where's Vanessa?
When I pulled up, they were already out of the car. That's my car with the flashers on.
Okay. You called?
Are y'all okay?
I'm fine.
They had already called.
Are y'all?
I'm fine.
Stop.
I'm sorry.
I don't want to fucking hug.
Okay.
Get down.
Here saying that they were possibly in this car, that this white car driven possibly by this woman ran the red light and then chaos.
Okay.
So these are just,
Which car hit us?
incidentals, I guess, that got hit.
It was a green light. It was a green light. It was a green light and they did not try to
So
That's what he's saying.
were you guys in the Toyota?
Yeah.
Okay, all three of you?
I don't know what kind of car.
Was there anyone else in the Toyota?
No, my friend, but she had got off the car. But she got off the car way before our accident.
Okay, okay.
Me and Mariam. Which car?
I don't know my brother.
The light? She's my daughter, no? Sit down.
I got it.
Yeah, why don't you sit down?
I'm okay.
Well, just still, just have a seat. Is there an issue with you sitting?
What?
Is it easy to sit down?
I just need to stand for a minute.
Okay. You have a license? License in the car? Well, yeah, we're not going to have you. Yeah, everywhere. No, yeah, she was.
I'm a first. I'm fine.
She was.
I was in this car. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Unless, I don't know, did you hit your hand?
No.
Probably.
Nope. Didn't hit my head. I didn't do anything.
I wonder what that is on the See anything?
Yeah, I'm trying to find it. I stole it, but I'm trying to find it. I think it's up in the floorboard.
Are you doing okay?
I'm fine.
You were in this vehicle?
Was it Anabar?
Okay.
Please check everybody else.
You're taller than me. Can you see down in there? Passenger side.
What? Well, if you look at the airbag there, what do you see?
If I ever get checked out by the medics, I'll do the 35 questions.
Had a bottle of wine. Bottle of wine cracked in the car.
Where's your friend at?
Back at the Blue Stone on the bus
Okay. Did you drink any other wine?
earlier.
Well, what time was earlier?
Oh, show ended at 1. Show ended at 10:45.
What time did you have your drink?
10:45. 11:15.
How
Did
many
I
drinks?
really run this red light?
I wasn't here. Can you tell me what happened? Or do you not remember?
No, it was coming through an intersection and it got slammed. I mean, that's...
Did you come out of? This
What?
one, this white one.
This one. I'm
White
fine.
one? Yeah.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Were you the driver?
Yes.
Okay. You're not hurt at all?
No.
Okay.
Please help
How did you
everybody
get out?
else.
You jumped out this door.
Please help everybody else. I'm fine.
Were these just parked vehicles this time and fourth? No, I think that was involved and then that one.
Yeah, that one parked up there.
What direction you got arrested?
Okay. No, I just have the answer. Yeah, those three were in that vehicle. You see anything? She was in this car.
You didn't see where it ran.
Honestly, coming through the intersection and just got, like, all of a sudden slammed. In all honesty, like that's...
Thank you. How you doing, Scarface?
How are you? Wish you luck this guy?
Yep.
What's your name?
Emily Pensek.
What's your date of birth?
5.
This is a rental.
Yes.
Can you do me a favor? Come step over here. You gotta step up so I can take your side. Step to the left. You can just stand up against there.
Oh, you saw this?
I'm about to get ready to, I'm gonna run around some Yeah, I'm seeing right here. So when was the last time you had an alcoholic beverage?
A couple hours ago.
What time?
What time is it now?
It's 2:14 right now.
Midnight.
How many did you have?
Leading up to that? Unsure.
More than 3? More than 2?
Probably, yeah, maybe 2.
Of what? What was it?
Glasses of wine.
You know what kind, by chance?
Josh. Cabernet Sauvignon.
On a scale from 0 being sober, 10 being super hammered, what would you rate yourself right now?
So if 10 is 10 sober?
10 is like drunk.
Drunk. Okay.
0 is sober.
Sober. 3.
3? Do you think you're okay to drive back to where you were driving to?
Yes.
Alrighty, I'm gonna make sure you're okay to drive. Okay? What I'm gonna need you to do, take your hands, put them on your chest.
Yep.
I want you to keep your eyes on my finger. Your eyes and your eyes only. Follow your eyes. Don't move your head at all, okay?
Yep.
Copy. Alright, we'll take a break. Okay, you
I
ready?
feel so sorry for...
It's okay. It's an accident. Accidents happen.
No.
Good luck.
I mean...
You ready? I need to take the heels back up. Sorry. It's okay. I'm going to continue with my finger again. To my finger with your eyes and your eyes over. For this next portion, I'm going to have you stand up.
Okay.
So you may begin.
Very good. Sorry. I'm tripping over my own clothes. Whatever you want to do.
Radio 91.
Okay. For this portion, what I'm going to have you do is take your heels toes like this. Put your arms down on your side.
34.
This portion is very
high.
close.
Mel White.
Once you maintain this position, take a step. For this one, you're going to pick either foot, left or right, to lift it across 6 inches off the ground. Keep it parallel to the ground. And this, you're going to count 1001, 1002, 1003, so on and so forth until I tell you stop. For this, ready when you are.
1001, 1002, 1003.
Keep going. You're fine.
1004, 1005, 1006, 1007.
Okay, you can stop. Okay. So for the last portion, I'm going to have you face the cruiser. Close your eyes, put your hands behind your back. And place your hands like praying. You're fine. You're fine. Like this. Right now you're being placed on the wrench for OVI. Alright?